Yo, hello my friends! How are you? How are you feeling? Huh? Look! And today, very interesting video. I will show you something interesting, yes, for Toyota. And it's no matter MMT, semi-automatic, automatic, manual gearbox, no matter. Today we will talking about the engine and engine control unit. I will try to change engine control unit without any special tool. Yeah, someone know about this function, but someone don't know. Toyota Corolla, huh? Ну что, Toyota. So, all lights went out, all working, no trouble codes. This is original ECU for this engine. This is from scrapyard, I bought it. And this ECU for manual gearbox. It's not for MMT. Yeah. Now I will install it and we will see. Also the car drive on LPG. This ECU for LPG.
Как обычно.
As usual, most important things that the key is in your pocket. And better if I will disconnect the battery.
Так будет надежнее. О, о, вышел. Есть одна. Есть вторая. Все, отлично. Так, ставлю этот мозг. Есть. Вот так вот. Так.
Check engine is lights on. It means that ECU is okay. Let's start. What's starting?
Не работает. А, еще и смотри. О, завелась. Смотри-ка.
Yes, ECU from manual gearbox. Yeah. So it's starting and stop because the immobilizer not matched. And neutral installation because the ECU for manual car. Yeah. But it's no matter for us. We need to match this ECU for this car. So how I do it? Yeah, with this super device, wire. So I'm connect the same place, yes. I'm doing bridge wire to the pin number 4 and pin number 30. Yes. So now what I will to do, I will turn on ignition for 31 minutes. Turn on ignition. I will do timer on my phone for 31 minutes. Then I will turn off the ignition, will remove the wire and start the engine. Okay, let's do the timer and let's start. I turn on the ignition, all lamps are flashing. Okay, all this turned off, wire, and let's wait for 31 minutes. Now left the 7 minutes. Some noises, yes, because the ignition is on. And all flashing, okay. Left 1 minute. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Чаю.
Ignition off. So now the most important moment. Ignition is off. Let's remove the wire and start the engine.
О, давай, родная, а? Так, чек горит. Вау! Yeah!
Working. The red cog lights because the ECU for manual gearbox. The car will not drive good with this unit because it's not fit, but fact that is working. So now let's check if the old one original also will work and we can use both of them.
Это все понятно.
Don't forget about the key.
О, видишь, не зря клемму снял.
So now this unit for this car and this unit, I don't know if it will work. Let's check if we can have two units for one car.
Так. Так. Так, чек горит.
So now this unit not working. So I need to do it again back to match his original to this car again. So you see, it's possible to change the ECU, ECM engine control module without nothing, just wire. I don't know which model is it working, but I think if you will connect the bridge and you will got the flashing, check engine and all other lights, it's possible. So you can try it.